came to us in a camshaft exhaust system OTR LS1, so standard bottom end otherwise, and then we've set it up with a 2300 supercharger system. Now the exhaust system's going to be a little bit of a restriction with the fact that it's an old school inch and 5/8 interference headers and a twin 2.5 inch mandrel bent, press bent exhaust system, so not awesome, but doing okay for what it was. But what I've done to try and make the two work together is just fitted a standard air cleaner system. So standard airflow meter, not using it for tuning, just for the restriction, and standard air cleaner just to try and make sure we don't overboost with this little exhaust system on it. Over here at the graph, so that's what it was running, the 375, about the horsepower you'd expect out of this sort of combination, this sort of exhaust, and as you can see, supercharged wise, great increase. We saw a little bit more. I've actually detuned, pulled it down a little bit with a little less timing, a little more fuel, because I don't want to be in the point where we're pushing through that standard exhaust system. And down at the bottom is the biggest increase. You can see we're almost in the 100% increase down there at the 1500 revs, well, it's about 1700 revs, then holds a good 100 coming up, 120, 150 horsepower increase right the way through the range. So should go really well on the road, and the sort of don't want to see too much more power for a standard LS1 bottom end, especially one with a few Ks on it.